Why are elephants afraid when humans raise their hands? This is because elephants instinctively assess your size and reactions as they approach. When you suddenly raise both arms to make yourself appear bigger, stand your ground without fleeing, and even make eye contact, it makes the elephant feel uneasy or hesitant. However, when the elephant starts digging the ground with its tusks, it means it's truly angry. If you don't leave at that point, it may go into a full-blown rage. Many people have no real sense of how big African elephants are. In fact, they are the largest land animals on Earth, standing over 13 feet tall and weighing up to 22,000 pounds. Their tusks can grow as long as 10 feet and weigh 220 pounds on one side alone. They consume an astonishing amount of about 660 pounds of vegetation every day.